Hey guys, so as promised, basically what you do is you just copy that code, you paste it, now you got your empty chart, and you just click on add to chart, and voila, this is what it does. You can save the script, you can change the name to whatever you want. If not, it'll just automatically pick this title here, hit save, and there you go. You've got yourself an indicator with the 3 WMA lines. And that's all it does. You can play with the settings if you want to have another length, for example, 25. I believe a 50 is actually the good one. And then you add your 3 indicator rule. In my case, I have the Pro-addon, but you guys have the 3 indicators, but it's the same thing in essence. Okay, so you just look at this particular, the way this is trending, right? So if I'm looking here, I'm going to favor the buy side. Why? Because I'm above, and then I'm going to be favoring the low side because it's got to come back down, and I'm just waiting again for it. And I can actually literally just take literally any crossing. As soon as it's above, it'll go down. This is favoring the down signals, you see? So all the down signals, you're comfortably taking them without any worry, basically. If I'm just going back in time a little bit, I'm on 1 minute chart right now, just to show you again. So if I'm below the channel, I'm going to be favoring the sell side. If I'm above the channel, I'll be favoring the buy side. Okay, I'm hoping that this helps you make use of this VWMA lines channel on how you can pair it up with this particular indicator. It can work well with anywhere between 3 to 5 minute transactions, it can be well for, obviously, for binary options, which is something that we use. So I'm hoping that this can help you. Cheers.